Are you, like me, been searching?
Searching for alternatives to help you stop buying bottled water for drinking?
Some might say, what about your tap water?
Well, down south in UK, tap water is nasty to say the least, very hard and weird tasting.
So to the point, cheapest and healthiest alternative is to get an inline water filter fitted under the sink. But which one?
So many to choose from. eBay and Amazon are flooded with sellers offering, according to each one of them, their filters are next best thing happened to mankind after the landing on the moon.
Though in reality most of their stuff is same and probably manufactured in the same factory. So to choose one we went by reviews.
We found most of the 5-star reviews were well pleased with this brand and supplier, so went ahead and bought one. Here's what you'll find in the box. We think in this day and age, the least we can do is help each other see what in reality will be offered by the seller when we will be opening the box. Because many a times we looked at the pictures and thought, yep, that's what we need, but turned out to be something different altogether.
But this package comes with pretty much everything what you require to have nice, clean, refreshing, crispy water in your glass.
Let's have a look what's provided in this accessories box.
Plastic spanners will be needed when changing filter, so keep them safe. In accessories box, you are provided with everything from a blade to cut your pipe to locking clips to stop the push and fitting coming loose accidentally. It's been about 3 months since we had Frizzlife filter installed under our sink.
Water feels exceptionally clean, light and crispy in taste. No complaint so far. You have 2 pipe joining straight push fit couplers in white in color. Plenty of blue locking clips for your passwords to secure it permanently.
This box contains tap which goes on the corner of a sink, very stylish and well built.
This is not like your average flimsy tap, provided by other filter sellers, which only last for 3 months, especially when you have kids at home. Alone it's worth 35 quid, looks good as well, easy to install.
Hopefully will withstand a heavy use, and won't go breaking.
So, there you have it folks, hope it helps, see you next time.